Hello friends, today we will do the next part of tenses, that is present continuous tense, and this is also called present progressive tense. Now first of all I tell you the meaning of this tense. That means any action or work it is going on right now. That means we use this tense when we want to tell about the work which is going on right now, or the work which is we are doing at present time. To express that kind of things, we use this tense. For example, if your mother asks you the question that what you are doing, then you will answer that question using this tense. That means you must be doing something at that time and will be continue with your work. At that time, you can answer by saying that I am writing an essay, or I am doing my schoolwork, or I am watching a video. Now we will talk about the structure of the sentence. The rule of this tense is subject plus is mr plus first form of verb plus ing, which is the most important thing in this tense, ing plus object. As I have told you already in the first video, which is of a present indefinite tense, I have told you in detail about what is subject, verb, and object. If you want to know about these things in detail, then you can watch that video. But in this video, I will tell you in brief only. Now, what is subject? Subject is the one who performs any action in the sentence, जो कोई भी काम करता है. Next is verb. Verb, as you all know, that all the action words are called verbs. जिस किसी word में कोई action हो रहा हो. And object. Object is a noun or pronoun on which a verb performs an action. Or you can say object is used to give us the full meaning of any sentence. As you can see in the example, he is playing football. Now, he in the sentence is subject as he is performing a action of playing, and is a helping verb, and playing is verb, and football is object. Now, what is helping verb? Helping verb is used with a main verb. Main verb means action words to help express the main verb's tense. That means helping verb will tell us that, like, if any person use any sentence, then from helping verb we will come to know that the person is using past, present, or future tense. And then we will come to know about the exact meaning of the sentence. Otherwise हमें पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि person जो बात कर रहा है वो किस टाइम के बारे में बात कर रहा है. जो हैपन हो चुका है ऑलरेडी पास्ट में अबाउट दैट थिंग, और जो फ्यूचर में अभी होना है उसके बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, और ही इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट द प्रेजेंट टाइम. सो वर्ब मैटर्स अ लॉट इन द सेंटेंस. And there are three kinds of helping verbs: to be, to have, and to do. To be is mr, was, were, being, been, will, shall, and to have has, have, had, having, will have, and to do, does, and did. And in this tense, the present continuous, we will use to be helping verb only is, am, and are. Now, where to use is mr? Is we use with singulars like he, she, it, or anything or any name, and am is used with only I, with first person only, and are is used with all the plurals, they, we, you, or plural names. Now, as I already told you, the rule of this tense is subject is mr plus v1, that is first form of verb, plus ing plus object. Now look at some examples. I am teaching. That means my work is in progress. Mean I am doing right now. I am teaching. My mother is cooking. That means at present time she is in the kitchen and she is cooking something. And you are watching video. That means at present you are watching this video and they are playing in the garden. Now, once again, I'll tell you where and when to use the tense. That is the most important thing. When you want to tell about your current work, the work which is going on at present. For example, if you are in class and your teacher is teaching, but the student sitting next to you, he or she is creating disturbance, and you want to tell about her or him to your teacher, and at that time you will use this tense, like you will say that, ma'am, she is disturbing me. मतलब वो कर रही है disturb while teaching is going on. Or you can say, ma'am, he is laughing, he is not paying attention, and there are many more examples also. Now, next, we will do the types of sentences. You have already done the types of sentences in the first video also. We will do using this tense also. Now, the first type is simple, or you can say the affirmative sentences, in which we don't ask any question. They are totally simple sentences. And the structure of that kind of sentence is subject is MR plus first form of verb ing plus object. The most important thing in this tense is ing. Don't forget to add ing to the first form of verb. Wherever you see continuous, you will add ing to the verb. Or wherever you see ing, you will recognize that tense as a present continuous. Now look at the examples. She is reading a book. She is singular, so that's why we have used the helping verb, which we use with the singular subjects. Next is we. We is plural, so we have used are. We are doing our work. The form is do, and we have added ing to the first form. Doing our work means that at present we are doing. We are learning tenses. That mean at present we are learning. हम tenses सीख रहे हैं. हमारा work अभी continue है. You are playing football. We are learning English. I am teaching English. She is eating cake. We are thinking about the plan. These all works are still going on. Means वो अभी चल रहे हैं सारे work. She is doing makeup. That mean at present अभी अभी मतलब वो makeup कर रही है. I am checking notebooks. Students are writing. Now next type is negative. As you know, when we deny something or we are not agree with someone, then we use negative. And the structure of that kind of sentence is subject plus is mr plus not plus verb first form plus ing plus object. As I told you that when we want to form negative sentences, we need helping verb to add in that sentence. As we already have the helping verb in this tense, so we will just add only not. And examples are, we are not learning French because we are learning English, not French. They are not playing football. She is not waiting for you means at present वो wait नहीं कर रही है. My sister is not listening music. We are not thinking. They are not telling lies. She is not taking pen. You are not driving your car. Next type is interrogative. We use this kind of sentence to ask questions. And the structure of this sentence is, as you know, that in every interrogative sentences we just put the helping verb at the beginning of the sentence. And in this tense also, is mr will come at the front plus subject plus first form of verb ing plus object plus at the end don't forget to add question mark. Examples: is she doing her work, question mark, कि क्या वो अपना काम कर रही है. Are you listening to me? Are you learning tenses? Is she waiting for you? Am I doing it right? Now it means that if we put the helping verb at the beginning, then that sentence will become the question. Next example is: are we going for shopping? Is he running? Are you enjoying the trip? Next is interrogative plus negative. That means combination of both. वो sentence interrogative means question mark, question भी होगा और negative भी होगा. And the structure of that kind of sentence is MR, because we want to form interrogative sentence. That's why is MR helping verb at the front plus subject plus not. Don't forget that whenever you want to use not will always come after the subject हर किसी sentence में. And then after not, first form plus ing plus object plus question mark. Now look at the examples. Are you not waiting for him? जी क्वेश्चन भी है और इसमें नेगेटिव भी हमने यूज़ किया है और इसका मतलब है कि क्या आप उसकी वेट नहीं कर रहे हो. इज़ इट नॉट रेनिंग? आर दे नॉट ड्रिंकिंग वाटर? Is she not making cake? Are we not watching a movie? Are you not laughing? Is he not searching something? Now, next type is present continuous with WH questions. Now, in the same way, why, when, what, or where at the front plus is MR helping verb, and then subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object, and at the end question mark. Examples of this kind: what are you doing? आप क्या कर रहे हो? At present क्या कर रहे हो? Why are you going to school? Why are you making noise? When are you going abroad? Where are you working? Why are you disturbing him? Why are you wasting money? Why are you not doing your work? Now, I hope you all have understood all the things. Now, in the same way as we did in the first video, we will just do the recapitulation. And the rule of this sentence is subject plus ismr plus first form of verb ing. Don't forget to add ing plus object. Example is: you are doing good job. If you are learning these tenses, then you are doing a good job. And when any work is going on, we use this tense at that time. I hope this is very easy to understand. And in the next video, we will do present perfect tense. Keep watching these videos if you want to learn tenses. Thank you.